Start. Sir, I welcome this bill because it is the first attempt to create and provide further technical personnel so necessary in the country. It is very well laid down that this institute is the first in the chain of 4 high-grade technical institutions proposed to be started in the country to improve the tone of the engineering and technological education as well as to meet the present special needs of the industry, which could not be achieved in the normal way. On these 2 special clauses, I would like to offer some remarks because first of all we see that the tone of technical and engineering education is not at present what is desired or is necessary in the country. We should try to improve it, and I can assure you that we cannot improve it in 5 or 10 years, and this is the first attempt, and if your efforts are made to improve the tone, it will be in the larger interest of the country. The special need of the country are increasing, and the branches of engineering and technological education are multiplying every year in our country also. So the degrees and the courses will have to be multiplied. These are the 2 important points why our students are going in hundreds to foreign countries to acquire degrees in foreign universities, because the training imparted is not adequate for the purpose for which it is meant, namely to render service in the industry in which they wish to join later on. I wish to say here that this institution should be sufficiently financed, and for want of finance it should not suffer in getting the best professors for training. Then the atmosphere that is to be created for imparting training is very superficial, because technological and engineering education is acquired different from academical and theoretical education which is at present given in universities. For that especially I welcome this association of undergraduate studies, because if undergraduate study is there, then it creates an atmosphere for these students to follow it and pursue it to postgraduate studies and the fundamental research that is very important. I still say that if the followed in all the 4 high-grade institutions, then it will be useful. We should not fight shy of it, because we are woefully lacking in technical skill, and that skill has to be created. That can't be created unless we have an atmosphere where students mix with each other in a fraternal way and discuss among themselves freely. It is not only by lectures, by professors that they learn. It is also by the students getting together that they learn these things. As regards the suggestions for affiliating this institute with the Calcutta University, I don't endorse that suggestion. This is different institution from the present universities and colleges, and the training that is to be given in them is also different. I think mere theoretical training is now given and we are lacking in technical training. We should improve our tone considerably in that respect, and we should make this model in our country. There may be cooperation of this institute with the 4 others that we want to establish, but there should be affiliation with no other universities. My third point is that the Education Ministry must make a census of how many students are going to technological and engineering degrees in foreign universities, and why those students, after their fundamental research, after acquiring their PhD degrees from these universities, after acquiring distinction in their training,